Concept 19.3 Finding a Probability Using Combinations and Addition. Hi, my name is Emily, and I'll be teaching how to find probability using both combinations and addition. So, what's a combination? A combination is a selection of all or part of a set of objects without regard to the order in which objects are selected. Orders do not matter. For example, suppose we have a set of 3 letters, A, B, and C. We might ask how many ways we can select 3 letters from that set. Each possible selection would be an example of a combination. There would be combinations like ABC, ACB, BCA, BAC, CAB, and CBA. 6 different combinations. Combinations seem easy when the set of variables is only 3 numbers, but when we get to higher numbers, it's not as simple to figure out how many sets there are. Luckily, there's a formula for us to simplify it. Using the fundamental counting principle, we can figure out how many different combinations are with each problem. The fundamental counting principle, also called the counting rule, is a way to figure out the number of outcomes in a probability problem. Basically, you multiply the events together to get the total number of outcomes. For example, how do we find how many combinations of smoothies there are? Let's keep it simple. In each smoothie, there is a base, 1 fruit, and 1 liquid of your choice. There are 2 bases, spinach or kale. There are 3 fruit choices, strawberry, banana, or blueberries, and there are 2 liquids, milk or water. First, how do we figure out how many different combinations there are? The fundamental counting principle says, in order to find how many combinations there are, we multiply each event together to find the total number of outcomes. There are 2 bases, 3 fruits, and 2 liquids. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 is 12. 12 is the number of different combinations of smoothies. After this, we can ask, what's the probability of ordering a smoothie with a banana in it? There are 4 smoothie options that include bananas. We divide that number by how many times smoothies there are in total and find the probability of getting a smoothie with a banana in it. 4 over 12 is 1/3. There is a 1/3 chance that you would order a smoothie with banana in it. Let's try a problem a little harder. Let's head to the Poke Shop. Pokédon offers a bowl with 1 base, 2 proteins, 2 sauces, and 2 toppings. Here's the catch. There are 8 different kinds of bases, 12 different kinds of protein, 10 different sauces, and 16 different toppings. Yes, these numbers are bigger, but it's easily solvable. Let's get started. For a bowl, we pick out 1 base of 12, 1 protein out of the 12, then a second protein out of the remaining 11, 1 sauce out of the 10, and another sauce out of the remaining 9. 1 topping out of the 16, and lastly 1 topping out of the remaining 15. Now let's plug these numbers into the fundamental counting rule. 8 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 11 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 9 by 16, then multiplied by 15. Don't be surprised, but there are actually 1,425,600 different combinations of poke. With the high number of different toppings, sauces, and proteins, the different combinations add up very quickly. Now let's add addition to the mix. I have 3 friends and we're all picking out our schedules for next year. Students at Mount Eden can choose 1 performing arts elective, 1 visual arts elective, and 1 foreign language elective. There are 3 electives in each sub-elective. How many different choices are there for us if 2 of my friends only have space for 2 electives? First, we can figure out about myself and my 1 friend who can take all the 3 electives. Using the fundamental counting principle, we can conclude that we have 27 different scheduling options. For my other friend, it is difficult as they only have 9 different scheduling options. Using addition, we can add my elective options with my friends and figure out how many different scheduling options we have collectively. 27 plus 27 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. This equals 81 different scheduling options. We figured it out fairly quickly. Using these tools, you now know how to find a probability using combinations and additions. Thank you for watching!